They got outfits on. That's how you know they order farm. Oof. Hey. Ha. Alpha kicking is so hard.
Sexiest things on wheels.
Now these boys was born for TikTok.
Motion like the ocean. Him taking his own wheels.
This just could be the best synchronized skating team in America.
Hello, skate family, and welcome to Skaters Connect, your portal to the skate world. My name is Dunbar, and we are back at it again with another author spotlight from the evolution of skating. Our skater for today is Richard Humphrey, the world's first skate influencer. Let's roll into it. If you enjoyed today's snippet and you want to read the whole story, you can pick up your own copy of The Evolution of Skating on skatersconnect.com or on Amazon. Richard Humphrey started skating back in the day on metal skates. His passion for skating ignited in the early 1960s. This was before the urethane wheel, before the disco boom, and before TikTok. When he got older, Richard Humphrey formed the Golden Rollers, a trio of skaters who would perform in Golden Gate Park.
They got outfits on. That's how you know they order farm. Oof. Hey. Ha. Alpha kicking is so hard.
Sexiest things on wheels.
Now these boys was born for TikTok.
Motion like the ocean. Him taking his own wheels.
This just could be the best synchronized skating team in America. The Golden Rollers. They perform for free every Sunday in Golden Gate Park.
Wow.
Their silky moves and feats of daring do have people bringing their families out to the park just to watch them.
After the Golden Rollers parted ways, Richard Humphrey went solo and started doing all types of amazing feats on roller skates. Some of his accomplishments include appearing in the October 2006 issue of Ebony magazine, performing as Damon Wayans' stunt double on a sitcom known as Damon Wayans' The Underground, and appearing on an episode of Dr. Oz.
Rollerdance king Richard Humphrey, who's good on skates. We got 4 moves, and hopefully I'll do it without falling, so go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3.
Hey.
1, 2, 3, bring it back. There you go.
Guys, getting in there. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Walk with it.
Okay.
5.
One day, Richard Humphrey was inspired by Denise Austin to create his own roller skating instructional workouts. He saw Denise doing her thing and he thought to himself, what if I did that on skates? He started off with his first tape, Rollerdancing, a workout on skates. Afterwards, he followed in Denise's footsteps and created roller skating workouts for all types of skills like skating backwards, turning front to back. In addition to teaching and performing, he has also pioneered multiple skate designs, like the quad line. The quad line combines a quad boot with inline wheels for a whole new skating experience. Well, we don't have time to talk about it all today, so if you want a complete breakdown of everything that Richard Humphrey has accomplished in skating, you can check out his chapter inside of The Evolution of Skating. Well, that's all we have for you today, folks. If you enjoyed today's video on Richard Humphrey, you're going to love our next story on Chris Ward, the skater who organized the Brighton Street Skate in England. So if you like this type of content, make sure you drop a like. If you want to follow the journey, you might as well subscribe and ring that bell notification icon so you will be notified next time we drop a video. And until next time, happy roller skate family.